Imagine stepping into a restroom where you never touch a surface. Advanced sensors and voice commands activate everything from lighting to faucets, ensuring a seamless, hygienic experience. Your personal preferences, stored in digital profiles, adjust water temperature and lighting automatically. This personalized touch not only enhances comfort, but also elevates the restroom experience to a new level. Hand dryers have evolved into intelligent hygiene hubs, self-diagnosing issues and requesting maintenance autonomously. IoT integration ensures optimal performance and efficiency. Real-time data from these devices enhances user experience, while embedded HEPA and UVC systems sanitize the air, making hygiene a priority. AI optimizes cleanliness and supply levels in real time, sending alerts for spills or low supplies. This ensures restrooms are always ready for use. Predictive AI capabilities analyze traffic patterns, preparing restrooms for peak times. This balance of privacy and personalization enhances user comfort. Eco-efficient designs and sustainable materials are at the core of future restrooms. Gray water systems and solar panels contribute to a greener environment. Imagine autonomous, predictive hygiene solutions that adapt to user needs. These innovations promise a future where restrooms are not just functional, but transformative.